Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will explore Palantir in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 26th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies globally today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since March 26, 2025, our system has ranked Palantir as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.98. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently situated within a broad and robust rising trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further upward movement. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 16.57% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 1.34% to 67.94%. Evaluating the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 184.08%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 130.28% and 311.48% over the next year. In current terms, this implies a future price estimate between $212.50 and $379.71. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline, "Weaker Technical Forecast for Palantir as Stock Downgraded to Sell Candidate." The Palantir stock price experienced a decline of 4.37% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 26th of March, 2025. The price fell from $96.50 to $92.28. Throughout that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7.13%, ranging from a low of $90.82 to a high of $97.30. Over the past 10 days, the stock has seen an increase in value on 6 occasions, with a rise of 10.32% in the last 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased by 3 million shares on the last day, albeit while prices were falling. This situation may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 80 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $7.39 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $125.41, while the lowest price reached $20.33. Currently, the stock price stands at 26.42%, or $33.13, below the 52-week high of $125.41, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies, symbol PLTR, is currently in the spotlight, establishing itself as a significant player in the artificial intelligence sector. Recent discussions have emerged comparing Palantir to NVIDIA, examining which company holds greater investment potential. This reflects a growing confidence in Palantir, suggesting a positive outlook for stock interest in the near future. A recent analysis highlights Palantir's evolution into a vital AI infrastructure provider, showcasing a remarkable revenue growth of 50%, which exceeds its 22% increase in stock-based compensation. This efficiency illustrates the company's ability to scale value without excessive dilution, a crucial factor that may attract long-term investors. Furthermore, Palantir is well-positioned to benefit from increased defense spending, particularly following its AIPCon event, which highlighted partnerships across various sectors that may generate consistent revenue streams moving forward. The recent collaboration with Everfox aims to improve command and control capabilities, indicating strategic advancements in classified environments. On the market front, despite a slight stock decline of 0.24% recently, the overall sentiment is shifting positively as experts indicate that tariff certainty may stimulate a broader bullish trend in the market. Therefore, while short-term fluctuations are anticipated, Palantir's strong operational momentum and strategic initiatives could lead to long-term stock appreciation, reinforcing its status as a noteworthy investment in the AI landscape. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 5th of March 2025, it was reported that William Blair assigned PLTR a market perform rating along with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 12th of February 2025, Bank of America Securities rated PLTR as a buy with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February 2025, UBS issued a neutral rating for PLTR, also paired with a hold action. On the same day, Tuesday, the 4th of February 2025, RBC Capital rated PLTR as underperform, accompanied by a hold action. Additionally, on Tuesday, the 4th of February 2025, Jefferies also rated PLTR as underperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Palantir stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Palantir stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $95.36. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $90.55. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will add another sell signal and reinforce the overall signal. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 18th, 2025, and thus far, the stock has fallen by 25.95%. A further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Yesterday, volume increased while prices fell. This may serve as an early warning, and the stock should be monitored more closely. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 27 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 19 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 204 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 192 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Palantir is currently finding support at a price of $90.68, a level that could present a buying opportunity. An upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with a robust trading volume, its risk is assessed as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $6.48 between its high and low, which represents a movement of 7.13%. In the past week, the average daily volatility has been 5.84%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly review some essential, fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This exceptionally high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such elevated ratios. Additionally, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 13 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir is at 103.83. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at 90.68. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Cohen Stephen Andrew, who bought and sold 1,270,604 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 39.392. Overall, insiders purchased 4,546,820 shares and sold 10,527,229 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Palantir presents several concerning indicators, and we believe it will likely continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. Upon assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 27th of March, we anticipate that Palantir will open higher by $1.19, beginning trading at $93.47. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.